So do we start right away? Okay, greetings to all judges and audiences in Wari Science Week 2019. So my name is Yongchun Kim and this is my partner Jetta. And today we'll be performing a presentation about the study of the concentration of mango wood vinegar to inhibit the growth of mosquito larvae.
And our source is due to the rapid mosquito propagation and mosquito last longer. The mosquitoes are considered as biotic, which are carriers of virus disease that are harmful to humans, such as malaria and Zika virus. Using wood vinegar, which are the leftover from the charcoal production in different concentration. And our objective is to find the appropriate concentration of wood vinegar to inhibit the growth of mosquito larvae, and to use remaining or emitted resource in the most efficient way. Our scope of research is the concentration of wood vinegar. The dependent variable is mortality rate of mosquito larvae, and the control variable is location that we collect the larvae and type of wood vinegar.
So that's for this one is the timeline for what we have done for the project, such as the information collection and the experiment. So these are the materials. We have used the used oil barrel for the oven, and this too is the mango wood, which is the main the main stuff that we have to use to make the mango wood vinegar. And third is the lighter, third condensing, and all this. And the producing methods are the. Oh, we have a. Can we have the picture, please? Yeah. เปิดได้ไหม ขอเป็นวิดีโอก็ได้ ปิดเสียงด้วย So we have used we have loaded the short logs on the barrel, and we have put them in horizontally to promote airflow, and stack the logs from the smallest to the largest. This allows all logs to fully burn. The charcoal and the wood vinegar were collected. The wood is burnt at 120 to 300 degrees Celsius. The smoke from the carbonization is cooled outside air when it's passing through the chimney or the pipe that you see right at the video. And it is the result is the wood vinegar. And this is the experiment that we have performed. We have performed from the 10%, 20, 30, 50, and 70%. And after 24 hours that we have performed the test, it all died. And that's the pictures of what we have done.
So the conclusion is that all the larvae die after 24 hours in every concentration. So we will continue to do the project to find the lowest the concentration ratio to use the resource efficiently. And the expected result is know the concentration wood vinegar that appropriate to stop the growth of mosquito larvae and can resolve reducing from the burning of charcoal from maximum efficiency and balance.
Okay, so what I'm trying to empathize is what I'm trying to explain is that we're using the wood vinegar because recently we had problems in Thailand. We got problems about mosquitoes, about the dengue fevers, and all this other diseases, and the air pollution. So we're thinking about the charcoal production in Chiang Mai, Thailand, because we recently have the PM 2.5 problem, right? And so if we can collect those smokes and make them into a new product and use them in the other positive things like selling the wood vinegar or using them as fertilizers or using them to inhibit mosquitoes. So this experiment, right? So this for us, this proves this experiment proves that there are more ways of uses of the wood vinegar than just for cooking or the fertilizers. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
ครับขอเสียงปรบมือให้กลุ่มนี้ด้วยนะครับต่อไปรอบการตอบคำถามครับ
What was the lowest effective concentration? Did you find a concentration that was not effective?
For now, for the percentage that we had from 10 to 70%, right? And we did another one with just water with it. And for now, for the experiment that we have performed, it all died. So right now we have to lower the percentage of it, the ratio of it. But I believe that the result that we had, that it proves that it still has the possibility that it might work. So we are willing to continue this project to find the lowest one efficiently, using our limited resources.
Will the vinegar? It's all natural. So is there any bad effect of putting it in a pond where you're raising fish?
Well,
Or-
there's a various ways of ways that we can use the wood vinegar, but we still have to dilute it, and there are different ways and instructions for each using. For example, if you're using for the plants, the fertilizers, we have to wait and leave it there for 90 days to let it settle down, and because of the tars and the oils in the vinegar, and let them separate and use the wood vinegar.
Just suggestion like for your experiment you can add more the number of the lava because you use just only 5.
Yes, 5 each.
Yeah, I think
Twice. Yeah.
5 is the like so small. Yeah, maybe if like a lot of lava can see the difference for the percentage of.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I'll consider that for the next one.
Yes, thank you.
So is that it for now?
For the next step, what you want to decide to how many percent that you want to separate?
We're thinking about
Under 10, right?
under 10 to like 2, 4, 6, 8, something like that. But we're still gonna for the experiment that we're gonna do, we're still gonna keep it 5, but we might do the 5 several times to see the differences or any changes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
โอเคนะคะ
pH, the pH of you mean the wood vinegar, right? It is 2.5 to 3. 2.5 to 3.
เจอได้
And I heard that the water pH for the mosquitoes 4 to 11. Yeah.
Okay.
So trying to make it different and let it not suitable for them to live.
โอเคค่ะขอเสียงปรบมือสำหรับกลุ่มนี้ด้วยนะคะ